Hello, oh god, I look even worse on camera. Okay. Hello friends, and welcome to my Friday night, which is technically Saturday because it is after midnight. It is 12:18 a.m. There you go. What you are seeing on my face is not an acne breakout. It is an allergic reaction. I woke up 2 days ago, like covered in a rash. All over my face, all over my body. It's extremely itchy. Ooh, you're on a shaky tripod. That's concerning. It's extremely itchy. I'm not scratching it, but like what's on my, ooh, God. I look ugly. What's on my face? It's not even the half of it. Like, it's on my neck, it's on my chest, like it's everywhere. It's on my stomach. So I've been taking allergy relief pills and Benadryl, and it's slowly starting to subside. So we went to the Growlers watch party tonight at Boston Pizza. And I never wore makeup because I didn't want to irritate it. But I'm really mad at myself because we got some really cute photos with Buddy the Puffin and I look like shit in them. And it's really sad, but what do you do? It happens, I guess. I gotta stop touching my face. Like, I've never had this problem before, you guys, like, ever. So, and I know it's not any like new makeup or skincare because I've been using the Ordinary products now for like 4 weeks. So if anything was gonna happen, it would have happened in the beginning. But it's all over. Like, they don't hurt like pimples. Like, usually if I have a pimple on my face, I can tell right away that it's like a pimple. These actually feel itchy and like raised and gross. And the rash obviously is all over my face. Like, I know I get a little red when I work out too hard or whatever, but my face has never done this in terms of a breakout. But like, it's down my neck. I don't know. I was talking to mom about it today. I said it's horrible because I'm so, ugh. I don't know why I'm showing you because I'm so self-conscious about it. Like, I had my hat on, my hair down. I had to put my hair up because it was scratching my neck so much. But anyway, that is my cheeky update. If I like do this the whole time, you can't really tell. So tomorrow is June 1st, which is technically today given what time it is. Growlers won 4-2 in Toledo, which means game 5 is tomorrow night and we could take the cup, and they are on the road for that game. So at 9:05 is puck drop and we will be at Boston Pizza on Water Street watching the game, and I am gonna vlog tomorrow so you guys can see the atmosphere. But if you follow me on Insta stories, you already heard the insanity that was Boston Pizza. I have to say, there's something about St. John's and like how it gets when we're in the final for something in sports, because we're like low-key addicts. Like, I'm so proud of us, like as a city. We band together, and I mean, it's crazy. But anyway, I'm going to start getting ready for the Salmonier trip. In the morning, we have to have Squiggy in the car picked up and on the highway before 10 a.m. So it's 12:22, which means I have 9.5 hours to get everything ready for the picnic, pack a bag, clean up from tonight because it's messy in the house, and find sunscreen because I'm gonna need it because I'm gonna be outside and I already have a rash. I don't need to get a sunburn on top of it. And yeah, we're going to the nature park. It opens at 10 a.m. No, it opens at 11, I think, for the day. I should probably Google it. But it closes by 3, so we'd be back in town before 4. So, I mean, I think we'll be fine. I'm not too worried, but we're gonna have a picnic in the nature park so Squiggy and Mariana can see like some of the animals. Like, they haven't seen a moose. They can see the caribou. I don't know what's gonna be out because tomorrow is technically the first day of Salmonier opening, but it's the only time we have to go. So we're gonna go on day 1, which I already regret, but yeah. This rash is distracting me, I'm sorry. Like, it's on my arms. It's not bad on my arms, but it's on my arms. Like, I'm so itchy. I keep taking Benadryl. It keeps making me really tired. which is not good because your girl doesn't have time to be tired because there's too much going on. And yeah, so anyway, that's all I'm gonna say right now because I need to like insert a time lapse here of me tidying up, me packing a picnic lunch, and yeah. Well, let's jump right into this footage because that was the intention when I started this vlog. So let's go. Hours later. Next up, caribou. He's right, there's one there. There's a baby one down here somewhere. Oh, they're both on the same side now. There's 3. I repeat, there are 3. What? Something just went up that tree. Wait, I lost him out there. Mouse, mouse. Come here, mouse, mouse. Mouse, mouse. Hi, little guy. How's your sleepies going? I'm sorry we interrupted your nap. He's beautiful. 2 hours later. Really? Yeah. You can pick it up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What? Look at this one. Look at it. I'm scared. Whoa, it's so heavy. It's so cool. Oh my god. He kind of looks like an avocado.
Yeah, that's his sea cucumber there. So that one's all filled up with water right now. This guy's really pretty. Do you want to pick him up?
Flip your hand, let him lay on your, yeah, like flat.
You're shaking.
Especially cold.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Freezing.
That's so cool. Hey, little one. So cool.
Okay, then. You want to touch it? Hello, guys. Pick it up.
That is so cool.
And pick up this spice.
All three of those.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Come back up, Tyler. Thank you. You're handsome, mister. Update time! I'm still on my iPhone. I'm struggling to get ready. It is sad. I don't even know where my vlog camera is. It's in one of the many handbags that is on the couch. We have to leave here in like 10 minutes to go to the Growlers, watch party at Boston Pizza. So I said I would vlog. I just had a good cry, you guys. Like, what is wrong with me? I was having a fine time. I was getting ready. I listened to the Business of Life podcast with Jan and Arlene. And then I just put my music on shuffle and I listened to like Taylor Swift's Me, then Good Mother by Jan Arden, and then Where the Nightingales Sing by Alan Doyle. And I just started to cry. And I'm still, just imagine me sitting like right there, listening to the music, singing away, doing my mascara, and there's like tears coming out of my eye holes. And I don't know why. Like, there was no real reason for it. I don't really, like, I'm fine. I don't feel sad. I wasn't anxious. I don't get it. I'm just sitting here like, what is wrong with me? But anyway, and now I'm procrastinating because I wanted to tell you guys that happened. What else happened today? We did the whole Salmonier Nature Park. We went to the marine labs and saw the seals and some of the baby, like, sea creatures and marine life and stuff. And, yeah, now we're getting ready to go to the hockey game watch party. We could win the cup tonight, doo-da, doo-da. I haven't eaten supper. It's like 8:30 and I'm starving, so I guess Boston Pizza is going to be my meal delivery service tonight. So let's go! Yay! I gotta get Lola in from the out and I gotta feed the poor thing. It's time to help. Welcome to Sunday, everybody.
It's okay. It kind of looks like Tetris or something now.
I am watching all of the YouTube because everybody uploaded today. It is 2:51 on Sunday. I spent the morning doing all of my meal prep for the week. Super excited. Lunches and suppers planned from Monday to Friday are done, which is really exciting. It's just a matter of like reheating and like going and stuff and doing things. So like tonight I'm having chicken quesadillas, so I gotta make those, but everything is like cooked already. We just have to heat it up. So, woo! Okay. Super productive day. I had to edit, you guys, obviously. That's on my to-do list. Growlers lost last night. It was 3-2? 4-2. I don't remember the final score. All I know, it was after midnight before we came home, which means I'm really tired. My rash is like slowly going away, but I'm taking like 3 Benadryl a day, so that's annoying. I'm gonna prop you guys here. We're gonna film a time lapse. I have 3 loads of laundry to fold. Ah. Update time. I got everything I needed to get done today, so we're gonna make some supper. Tonight's dinner is chicken quesadillas. I got myself a cheeky pink drink, and I'm about to watch the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collaboration if I could get it to work on the iPad. For some reason, my Wi-Fi network is being weird. Settings. Let's see if we can fix it, guys. These are my life plans. At first I just thought it was my iPad because it's old, but I have 2 networks though, so maybe that's the problem. This network's not working properly. I had to change it on my phone too, which is weird. Usually that's the faster one. I just left the fridge open, all nonchalant. Let's try this again. I really want to watch it while I cook. Kylie has skincare. 6 mess. Okay, I'm gonna go watch this and enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!